Mitsubishi Heavy Industries use the latest technology to make our air conditioning products the most efficient in the market. Our COP and EER figures lead the industry. This means our products achieve the A rating for energy efficiency. With our air conditioning products, you can save money and help save the planet. Our air conditioning products comply with all the EU laws and regulations. Our equipment is fully tested and Eurovent certified, so you can feel confident in it. Our products also qualify for tax allowances and government grants in many EU countries, promoting financial incentives for energy-saving equipment. You need flexible units to get the best out of your air conditioning system. At MHI, we design our equipment with flexibility in mind. We have units to suit every sort of application, from small homes to large-scale units for large sports stadia, shops and offices. Our units all have intelligent control systems that will give you more options and more control, whatever the application. All of our products use heat pump technology, which means they are classified as renewable energy products. They use the latest environmental technologies, refrigerants that don't damage the ozone layer, controls that will minimize energy consumption, units that have ultra-low carbon emission footprints when heating or cooling. MHI air conditioning products are built around heat pumps, the ideal climate control system for the future. Our heat pumps are quicker and more cost-effective to install. The units take up less plant space and use smaller pipes, saving you on expensive installation costs. The Mitsubishi name is synonymous with quality the world over. We use over 100 years of engineering experience in all fields to ensure our products are the best. Our customers know they can depend on us, and we regularly talk to them to find ways to improve our air conditioning systems. You can depend on Mitsubishi quality. MHI products are renowned for their reliability and low breakdown rates. Maintenance costs will be reduced and your air conditioning will run worry and hassle-free. We back this reliability by offering an extended warranty on all our products. We have highly trained engineers who will resolve problems quickly, and they are backed by a strong network of distributors throughout Europe. The customer always comes first at Mitsubishi. We've built our reputation on great design, great reliability and great customer service. Whether you buy a small household unit or furnish a large retail centre, you'll get a 5-star service. You can trust Mitsubishi Heavy Industries to deliver. No one at Mitsubishi will let you down or say, "Not my problem." We take our responsibilities very seriously. It's our job to serve you well for the lifetime of our products. With support throughout the EU, you'll find Mitsubishi are more than just a supplier. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries will be your partners.